Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy RonTrades and we're back here in the trading video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over my two one-shot, one-kill setups here on the week of the 24th through the 27th. This week was an amazing week for me in the markets. I was able to get two payouts on real accounts, not demo, and I will show all of that in the video. So let's go ahead and get right into this first example here, guys. We're going to be using USD CAD. This trade was taken on Thursday, February 27th. So let's go ahead and I want to give you guys my outlook of how I approach USD CAD, what made me go long, and pretty much explaining my model once again on his YouTube channel. So if we start here at the 8-hour time frame, I use the 8-hour time frame to get my POI, right? The first thing I want to do, I want to identify a higher time frame POI. So it needs to be a daily order block, 8-hour order block, daily fair value gap, 8-hour fair value gap. Keep it simple, right? Like I said, you want to make sure that you're using a higher time frame to make sure that price is in a nice level to react off of, not just blindly trading the 15-minute time frame. So right here, guys, as you can see, we're going to fast forward right here. As you can see, using the replay tool, as you can see, we had a nice bullish breaker here. Once price closed above this up close counter here, this is now going to be a bullish breaker. So when price returns back down inside this bullish breaker, we can now use this as support. This is real support and resistance, not just drawn out lines and say, hey, if it comes here. No, price broke above this last high here. Once price comes back down inside of this high, it should be used as support. This is going to be my bullish breaker by ICT. So right here, guys, this was my POI. So before I even go to the 15-minute time frame, I already know what I should be looking for. I already know where price is at. So I'm not going to the 15-minute time frame blind. I'm not just trading something random. This trade came off an 8-hour bullish breaker. So let's go ahead and go to the 15-minute time frame now to see my full model form. So now going to the 15-minute time frame. It's going to be the exact same rules as we always have each and every video. The first thing that I need to see age and low. Ron, why do you need to see age and low took? Because I'm looking for a long position. Whenever I go long, whenever Ron goes long, he needs to see age and low taken out. If age and low is not taken out, Ron can't go long. It's simple as that. It's as simple as that. So now we're going to go ahead and mark out age and low. So since you're here, guys, my Asian session is the blue box here. As you can see, age and low is right here at 2030. As you can see, price came down, taking out age and low. So the first rule is met. Age and low is took. Okay, Ron, what's your second rule then? I need to see clear London displacement. So I'm going to show you guys here that we had clear London displacement. All right, so now we got London session having a nice Judas swing, moves to the downside. And right here is where we have our London displacement right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take up the screen. So right here, guys, we're going to have a London displacement. As you can see, we have nice big up close comes going in our direction, which we're trying to go long. So this is going to be our London displacement. What time did London displacement end? It ended right at 5:45. So now I am getting prepared to take my entry. What's your entry method, Ron? Simple New York session OTE retracement. That's all I'm looking for. So once again, guys, age and low is purge. Where was that at? Right here. Age and low purge. Do we have London displacement? Yes. Where's it at, Ron? Right here. London displacement. Very, very, very clear. Nothing to think about. Okay, Ron, so what's your next rule then? I want to see New York session OTE retracement. So that means I want to see price retrace during the New York session, and I want to see an expansion later on in the New York session with high impact news. As you guys can see right here, price ended up retracing right down. What time did price retrace, Ron? 6 a.m. That is perfect, sweet on the money. Price came down where, Ron? It came down to my 62 and my 70.50 level of my optimal trade entry. All right, Ron, so what's next? Simply let the model play out for a 2R or a 3R. Me personally, I go for a 2R and 3R. On this trade, I did leave a runner. on this trade, a very, very, very small runner. So right here, guys, 2R was met right here. So we had a 2R. Let's go ahead and go for 2R. So 2R was met at this point right here. I did have my stops at break even, and I had a small runner for a 3R. So go ahead and go for a 3R here. As you can see, 3R is met, and at this point, I pretty much closed my trade out. Now, let's go ahead and go over this right here, because I know I can get up here and lie. I can get up here and be like these, these demo traders, these guys that don't make real money. I didn't catch this move right here. I didn't catch this. And I'm not going to sit here and lie. I'm not going to get up and say, oh, yeah, I caught this whole thing, baby, full pull. I caught a whole 12R. That's why all these corny YouTube guys saying they're not making real money, and they don't show you real money. They don't show you real payouts. They don't show you nothing but market replay and top step and phase 1 and phase 2. It's not even real accounts. So be careful who you take advice from. Be careful who you listen to. I caught a full 3R off this move. Full 3R. I was out of this trade. So once again, guys, let's go over this trade one more time. Right here, we're going to use a pretty much in hindsight example here of how the model should go. So right here, guys, you can see we had an 8-hour bullish breaker, right? So price came down what inside of my higher time frame POI. So right here, off this example right here, price came down inside of what our higher time frame POI. Let me make this black right here. I'm sorry. Let's make this drawing too black so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So right here, price came down what inside of higher time frame POI. What's a higher time frame POI run? What does that mean, bro? Keep it simple. A daily order block, daily support level, daily resistance, daily supply and demand zone, whatever. I don't care what you use. I can care less about what you use, but you need to make sure that price is reacting off something off the higher time frame chart. Primarily 4-hour time frame and up, right? I don't really like to use the 1-hour time frame for higher time frame, you know, POIs. I like to use the 4-hour time frame and up for my POIs. So like I say right here, I used an 8-hour bullish breaker. Like I say right here, example here, price came down inside of my 8-hour bullish breaker. We had a market structure shift, London displacement. So where's the displacement right here? London displacement. Then price comes down to our OTE, and then price has a nice rally up for the previous session high, previous day high. So this right here is a amazing one-shot, one-kill trade. Once again, guys, using my 8-hour time frame, bullish breaker. So my narrative was that I wanted to see USD CAD continue to keep rallying to the upside because we came down inside of a what? A bullish breaker. We had what? We had aging low took it out. Let's go over that one more time. So we had what? We had aging low took. Where is aging low run? Right here. Aging low is right here. Aging low took. What's next? We had London displacement. At what time run? London displacement started at 4:45, 5 a.m., 5:15, 5:30, 5:45. And at 6 a.m., that's when we're getting ready for our entries. Drawing my fear from the low to the high. Price came back down inside of what? The sweet spot, optimal trade entry. What are we targeting? 2R, 3R every single week. It will not stop. So this was an amazing trade here, guys. Once again, like I said, at the end of the video, I will show you guys the payouts. So don't worry about that. Trust me. Let's go ahead and go inside of GJ on Monday. So this was my GJ setup here. Let's go to GBP JPY. 1 second. Let me type it in here. I think I got it pulled up. So 1 second. Let's go to GBP JPY. So we go to GBP JPY. This trade was taken on Monday to start the week off. So right here, guys, I'm sorry about that. Let's go ahead and go to that. All right, so it should already have it pulled up. Okay, so now we're going to use the replay tool to clear up all this noise. Going to go here. And now let's get inside of this setup real quick. So GBP JPY, as you guys can see, it's the same exact setup from USD CAD. So this is why I say my model is not random. It's not, I'm not trading something different one day and doing something different the next day. Every single week is the exact same pattern, and it will continue to keep forming. And as long as these markets are open, it will continue to keep forming, and there's nothing you can do about it. Absolutely nothing. Stop listening to these little goobers on here. They're trading Mickey Mouse stuff. One day they're trading turtle soup. Next they're trading supply and demand. Stop listening to these guys. They are not profitable and they're not consistent. Simple as that. So right here, guys, first and foremost, what's the first rule? Ron needs to establish a higher time frame POI. That's non-negotiable. Don't care what's going on. Ron needs to establish a 8-hour or a daily time frame POI. As you guys can see right here, I had an 8-hour POI. So let's go ahead and go look at that real quick. Right here off my 8-hour POI, what do you see? What do you see? What are these last 3 consistent down close candles? Bullish order block. Price came down inside of my bullish order block. So once I see this on Friday or on the weekends while doing my pre-market analysis, I'm already expecting price to react off this bullish 8-hour order block. So I'm coming inside of Monday with what? Ron's coming inside of Monday with what? A narrative. He's not trading something blind. He's not waiting on anything. He already know exactly what he's waiting for. Now that Ron has his 8-hour POI, his higher time frame POI, let's now go down to our 15-minute time frame. Now that Ron has his POI, what's Ron's next rule? Ron needs to see what? Ron needs to see aging low. Why does Ron need to see aging low? Why not aging high? because I'm not looking to go short. I'm looking to go long. So if Ron wants to go long, he must, and this must is non-negotiable. It doesn't matter how good the setup looks. If Ron does not see Asian low swept, he can't do nothing. He can't do a thing, but just look at it. Was Asian low took? Yes. We had a nice sweep on Asian low. At what time? During London session. Now, what do we see after Asian low is took? We had what? Let me go ahead and clear this up right here. We had what? We had London displacement. So we had London displacement here. Very nice London displacement. What's the next rule, Ron? What do you look for next? A OTE retracement. Now, right here, guys, you can see we had price come down to the 7.50 level. Stop loss goes at the body. As you can see right here, a nice 3R was taken on this trade. One could say, like I said, on a real account, real money, real withdrawals were requested after this trade. Once again, I'm about to show you guys this right now. So once again, guys, what did price do? Price came down inside of a what? 8-hour POI. So now let's go to our in hindsight example here. Price came down inside of a higher time frame POI. We had a market structure shift off this London displacement. The same thing you see right here, London displacement, right here. It's the same thing here, London displacement, plus MS shift. Next rule, New York session OT retracement, drawing our fear from the body to the current high. Price retrace downside the OTE. Very, very perfectly, making this a nice one-shot, one-kill setup. So guys, before we go inside of the payouts, I want you guys to understand that with this model, you need to have a higher time frame POI. So the first rule for this model is, guys, and I've talked about this so many times on this YouTube channel, the first rule is have a higher time frame outlook. Daily order block, daily fair value gap, daily supply and demand, daily whatever, daily bowler. I don't give a shit what you're trading. I can care less. I'm not one of those guys that's going to tell you, hey man, use this one. This is the best one. I don't give a fuck. Just make sure you have a daily time frame POI. That's all that matters. Once you have that plus logic, then yeah, jump down to your 15-minute time frame, and from there you're gonna be looking for what? Asian low or Asian high. If you're looking to go long, you need to see what Asian low took. If you're looking to go short, you need to see what Asian high took. That's non-negotiable. I don't care what these little kids are saying on Instagram or fucking Twitter or YouTube. That's non-negotiable for my model. After that, you need to see line displacement, New York session OTE retracement. Go for a 2R and a 3R every single week. Now, sometimes, like I said, you're going to miss out on the big 11R, 10R, 20R trades. Listen, we're here to make money. We're not here to get up here and say, oh, I caught the biggest trade. Check me out, bro. No, we're here to make consistent money every single week. Not just 1 week, not just 1 month we get paid out, every single fucking week. And in order to do that, you have to take what the market gives you. Every time at 2R, with my one-shot, one-kill model, you do something. You take partials, you move stop some profit, close the fucking trade. At 3R, close the fucking trade. So this right here, guys, is my one-shot, one-kill model that I took here. Once again, for the week of the 24th to the 28th, making this a amazing week. So now let's go inside of the fucking results, right? Because you don't see your YouTuber, he doesn't do this. He doesn't go to the results and show that he actually took these trades with live money. Not a fucking phase 1, not a fucking phase 2, not a top step combine. You're not making no real money off that shit, bro. Be serious. Right here, what do you see in my Telegram chat? This is my Telegram chat. Link is in the description. Join for free. What's the date right here? February 24th. 24K Markets is my broker that I personally use. I'm not an affiliate. You can sign up. I can care less. As you see right here, guys, February 24th, 2025. At what time? 12:27 p.m. Hi, Ron. Your withdraw has been approved. What's the day right here? Monday, February 24th, 12:29. Another proof here. 24K Markets. Your withdraw has been approved. It got sent to, and it got sent to my Cash App. Bitcoin deposit is available, complete. That's the first withdrawal. Now let's go ahead and go down. As you see right here, and look right here. Look at my student, Prince. He got paid out from Find It Next. Good job to you, brother. Keep doing what you're doing. So like I say, not only am I doing it, as you can see, with real proof, my fucking students are doing the same thing. Right here, what we got? USD CAD, Trade Locker, live. So right here, look, it says live, not demo, not paper, not market replay, not phase 1, not phase 2. Real fucking account. Live trade, live trade. What's next? What's the date? February 27. When did I take GJ? February 27. What time? 10:52 a.m. Withdraw, approved. Hi, Ron, your withdraw has been approved. February 27, 2025. Ron. It's my fucking name. So, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys took value. Once again, stop listening to these kids. Stop listening. I'm telling you right now, guys, end the video off. If they don't show you real money, stop fucking listening to them. It's 2025. You're being fooled. They're lying to you. They're trading on demo. They're trading on phase 1 and phase 2. They're trading on Apex Combines accounts. Top Step Combines. These not even fucking real accounts. They're trading on, and you're being fooled. Be safe. Catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.